you will get into the habit of, you know, being a better person, finding better ways to do things. Everything is on YouTube. You can go on Google too and find how to do certain things, how to better ways to communicate with my child, better ways to communicate with my spouse. If you're the type of person, if your husband does something and come home and you just malice him and the whole night you don't talk to him, going to the next day, all days and them something there. They come home, you be a little welcoming, you be pleasant, and then maybe after them eat and them relaxing now, you say, honey, man or woman, honey, can we talk about something for, just give me for about 10 minutes or so? Or, you know, maybe you're talking and you're giving them a foot rub or whatever it is. Just find a loving way to talk about things. Or you say, can we meet after work and go and have a drink or something? And, you know, I just have some stuff on my mind that I just want to help you to help me to use. You know, don't say I want to talk to you about something because I'm upset about something and you need to change. Don't do that. Just be loving and say, there's some things on my mind and I want you to, and I want to put these things to you and hear what your opinion is on them, or if you think there's a better way we can do these things or something.